So I'm here at Disney Springs. I just dropped the family off. Well, I drove here, I left the car with them because I have one mission right now. I would really like to ride the Disney Skyliner. It is Sunday the 29th. It is the official opening day. It's been running for the last week or so, but it's official. It's open today. So we're gonna go try and hop on it and check it out. So I'm just kind of winging this. So I'm gonna hop on a bus over to Art of Animation because I know there's a station there. It's not the main station. I don't know. I didn't really look anything up. We're just winging it. We're gonna try. But Art of Animation is gate 29. Of course, it seems like that's the furthest one away. There we go. 29 this way. Now we're headed in the right direction. Possibly a change of plans here. There's a bunch of people waiting here and it's kind of the same spot, so I'm thinking this one's gonna come first. All right, we have made it. We are here. We are at Pop Century. So we gotta head over to Hourglass Lake. That's where the station is over there. First I'm gonna go visit an old friend. Roger Rabbit's one of my all-time favorite movies. Love it. There it is. There's the station. I can see it. I can see it. So this is the Art of Animation and Pop Century station. They share a station in the middle of Hourglass Lake here. All right. I've been excited for this for a while now. Let's go hop on.
For your safety, please remain seated, supervise children, and refrain from smoking in the cabins. Thank you.
The Caribbean Beach Resort station now. This one's a little bit busier than the Pop Century one. I kind of walked right on. I'm gonna try and see. Where's my cabin? It was $291. There goes the one I was chasing. And there we are. That was our first Skyliner ride. This is a transfer station, so now we're gonna hop back on. We're gonna go to the studios, I think, first. We'll go to the studios, then we'll actually turn around, come back here, and then go back to Epcot. Wow, there's nobody in the line for the studios. I guess everyone's going to Epcot. The line to head back from Hollywood on the end of the line.
Good answer. Good
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Hollywood Studios. We are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort with connecting flights to Epcot International Gateway, Disney's Pop Century Resort, and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Side note, back at the Caribbean Beach, and the line is much smaller now. I think there was a little holdup because we did get stopped before the system was actually stopped, so I think it backed everybody up. But let's hop on over and go to Epcot. And just like that, now I'm at Epcot. That one would have been a good ride without the wrap. I really don't like the wraps. You can't see a lot. You can see, but not real good. That was definitely the most scenic one. You went over a couple resorts. Just couldn't see anything. So this time I'm going to try and get a non-wrapped one. But we started at Pop Century, went to Caribbean Beach, then Studios, back to the beach, to Epcot. Now we're going to go back to the beach. Caribbean Beach, that is. Alright, it's getting backed up here again. We're gonna hop on one more time. We're gonna head back to Art Animation and Pop Century, and then that's gonna complete our journey. That concludes our Skyliner experience. Started at Pop Century, went over to the Caribbean Beach, over to the studios, did a U-turn, right back, Epcot, another U-turn, headed back again, and now I'm at Art of Animation. So it was fun. It's very hot out. Wasn't bad in there, except for we did stop once that was a little warm. And also the wrapped ones compared to the non-wrapped ones. The wrapped ones are cute and fun for the kids, but you can't see out of them too good. You can see out of them, but it's not very clear. The unwrapped, beautiful views. So that's it. We went on the Skyliner on the official opening day. That's cool. It's a first for me.